Friends, let's learn how to make a butterfly today. Okay, so for this you have to fold this page into a triangle. Make sure your corners are very pressed. Again, from the other side you have to fold this paper. Take care of the corners to be well pressed. Yeah. Now you have to fold your paper into half. Again, fold your paper into half. Now you have to fold your paper into half. Again, fold this into half. Now insert your index finger and try to make a triangle like this. Again, turn the paper back, and from the back side also try to make a triangle like this. Now you have two flaps. 1, 2. Now take this flap to the upward side. Like this. Take another flap to the upward side. Like this. Press it nicely. Now your paper will look like this. Okay, now turn the page, leaving these legs behind. You have to take the paper and fold it to the back side like this. Make sure that this small triangle you should fold back. Very nicely you have to fold this small triangle to the back. Okay, now you have to fold it like this, and your butterfly is ready to fly high in the sky. See how beautiful it is. Hope you understood. If you understood, please like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.